Namaste. This is the class of pharmaceutical analysis, and today we will study about the titration of weak acid with a strong base known as running alkali into acid. So let's assume our analyte is acetic acid, which is a weak A acid, and the titrant is sodium hydroxide NaOH strong acid. So if we start plotting the pH of analyte against the volume of NaOH that we are adding from the burette, we will get a titration curve as shown below. So you can see here the titration curve, pH of the analyte solution and pH of the titrant is added, and we can check here by forming a graph the equivalent point. A diagram is also given in this. You can see here the burette is having NaOH titrant and the conical flask is having CH3COOH analyte. Titrant curve of a weak acid with a strong base. Point 1. No NaOH added yet, so the pH of analyte is low. So you can see CH3COOH and H2O, then CH3COO plus H3O. In this, as NaOH is added dropwise, H3O is superscript slowly start getting consumed by OH. By analyte is still acidic due to predominance of H3O. Next point, this is the pH recorded at the time point just before complete neutralization take place. Third, this is the equivalence point. At this point, moles of the NaOH added equal to moles of H3COH in the analyte. The H3O ions are completely neutralized by OH ion. The solution contains only CH3COO and a salt and H2O. Next, H3COOH plus NHOH means acid is added to the base at equivalent point. It forms a salt CH3COONA and H2O. So you can see here the reaction. Let me pause here for a second. Can you spot a difference here as compared to case 1, which is strong acid versus strong base titration? In this case of weak acid versus a strong base, the pH is not neutral at the equivalence point. The solution is base of pH 9, approx 9 at the equivalence point. Let's reason out why. As you can see from the above equation, at the equivalence point the solution contains CH3COONA salt. This dissociate into acetate ion CH3COO and sodium ion Na positive. As you will recall from the discussion of strong and weak acid in the case 1 and CH3COO in conjugated base of the weak acid CH3COOH. So CH3COO is relatively strong base. Weak acid has a strong conjugated base and will thus react with water to produce hydroxide ion. Thus increase the pH to 9 at the equivalence point. CH3COONA and CH3COO is added with Na and water. Here you can see here the make the basic solution at the equivalent point. Diagram of CH3 and COO reacting with H2O to produce hydroxide ion. Fourth is beyond the equivalence point. When sodium hydroxide is in exceed, the curve is identical to HCl and NaOH titration curve as shown here. You can see the titration curve, the green representing the weak acid and strong base, and red is strong acid and weak base. So here we have completed this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.